which bypass the digestive system, making them work faster and more effectively. Injectable medications and testosterone treatments for those patients who need it. Impotence problems can be treated in just one visit.
Why wait? Don't lose hope. Call now. Get a PSA test, testosterone test, Doppler ultrasound, and a full year of free visits for just $99. Call 415-761-4037. That's 415-761-4037. Call now, 415-761-4037, or go to primemailmedical.com.
There's a lot to celebrate this month. Graduations, end of the school year, and warm weather months. Celebrate in a clean home by calling Zero-Res. Zero-Res is the zero residue carpet cleaners that don't leave behind any of the dirt-attracting soaps and chemicals that other carpet cleaners use. Get one room Zero-Resified starting at just $43 and take 20% off air duct cleaning. Make sure to mention KSFO. Book at ZeroResBayArea.com. Zero-Res. Spell it backward or forward. It's the right way to clean.
Hey, Joe, I thought you were retired.
Living on a fixed income is tough. So here I am, an essential worker.
I know. I mean, food prices are going up every day. Thank goodness for benefitscheckup.org.
Benefits what?
benefitscheckup.org. It's a free website where people over 60 can find help to pay for food, medicine, even utilities. I got $1,200 a year in benefits. Maybe it can help you.
nothing is going to get you to cover up the fact that the three main issues, according to every poll in America for months and months and months, the economy, immigration, and inflation, you have failed on like nobody has ever failed before. Then you lay out some statistics, and you just hit that like 5 times. Yeah, I would love to see that. I get the idea Trump is listening a bit more to his advisors, a bit more disciplined than he's been in the past. But whether he will go in loaded for bearer in that way, I do not know. I never know with that. He's got to have the stats at hand on the immigration stuff, the numbers. Percentages are the raw numbers to let people know. I mean, getting back to the... Of course, immigration has been the number 1 or 2 issue in all the polling, so people are paying attention enough to know that. Right, I would agree. That's actually why I brought it up. I think people are acutely aware of that. Even if they're not terribly politically active, they're seeing it around them. Their local towns and schools and emergency rooms and the rest of it. My frustration with Trump is that he'll probably come to the debate with like one statistic on immigration. 7 million immigrants, Joe. And then somebody will fact check it and cast a little doubt on whether 7's an accurate number or not. And since that's all he leans on, it'll be easy to dismiss it. But I don't know. We'll all find out together. The inflation thing, again, the news coverage of it yesterday. Good news for consumers is they'll notice inflation slowing. Good news when you go to the grocery store. No, that's not the way inflation works. You don't notice the inflation rate slowing. That's not something you feel. People are going to continue to, for a long time, to feel shocked by prices when we go and buy stuff. And the fact that the Democrats don't get that, so he needs to have some answer for that. I don't know if Joe Biden is going to go with the it's the corporations sticking it to you, gouging you, but he's got to have some answer for inflation. Yeah, right. Please, at the very least, I'm putting my hands together in traditional prayer style. Praying to Donald Trump. Ooh, occultist. The Bible! One fact to at least be ready to rebut Donald is if Joe Biden comes out there and once again says, hey, when I came into office, inflation was 9%, thanks to you. Because he said that in 2 interviews in 2 weeks now. And it's just as wrong could be. Please, Donald, be ready to rebut that. Yeah, they hit little KJP with that yesterday in the press room.
So no, you to right there.
John will cost you a bit of your soul. He had to say, what the president is seeking to emphasize is that the American people are feeling the effect of inflation. So she didn't go there, huh? No, she just dodged it. Of course, what's she gonna say? Well, he lied. He made it up. Or he's senile and doesn't know fact from fiction anymore. Or you repeat the easily checked lying number. Embarrass yourself even more, right? So yeah, it's a tough situation to be in.
Armstrong and Getty.
Think identity theft won't happen to you? Think again. There's a new victim every 3 seconds in the U.S. Over 15 million this year alone, and many don't even know they're victims. LifeLock alerts you to identity threats you could miss even when you monitor your credit. If your identity is stolen, the dedicated U.S.-based restoration specialist will work to fix it. No one can prevent all identity theft, but everyone can save up to 25% their first year with my name Clay as the promo code at LifeLock.com.
Hey, it's Jesse Kelly. Are you still on the fence about owning gold? It's time to pull the trigger with the Oxford Gold Group and buy gold and silver. Nobody can predict the future, but we can't put our head in the sand either. The Oxford Gold Group are the pros. They make owning gold and silver simple and easy to understand. Call Oxford Gold Group right now, and you may qualify for up to $10,000 in free precious metals. Call 833-995-GOLD. That's 833...
KSFO, San Francisco, KSAN, HD2, San Mateo, a Cumulus radio station.
A tribute to the fallen. Lisa Brady, Fox News. President Biden laying a wreath at the Tomb of the Unknowns in Arlington National Cemetery before honoring all who've made the ultimate sacrifice, giving their lives for our nation.
Our democracy is more than just a system of government. It's the very soul of America. It's how we've been able to constantly adapt through the centuries. It's why
Go,
we call it
it's
the merge.
green, you
We're gonna
dumbass.
be challenged stronger than we went in.
Damn.
It's how we come together as one nation, united.
Gee.
Also remembering his son Bo, who died of cancer after spending a year near a toxic burn pit in Iraq while
Can't
serving in
even
the Army
ride
National
properly
Guard.
for an old
Former
white
President Trump
bitch.
posting a Memorial Day message that criticizes judges in some of the cases against him. Closing arguments set for tomorrow in his New York hush money trial. Damage assessments after deadly tornadoes across the southern plains, killing at least 20 people in 4 states, including Texas, where Valley View, north of Dallas, was hit hard.
There's a shell station where dozens of travelers took refuge during this tornado. People made it out, but there were many injuries here. Now, this tornado struck late Saturday night. It tore through an RV park, destroyed more than 200 homes, and damaged around 120 others.
Fox Weather's Max Gordon, Saturday and yesterday, at least 38 confirmed tornadoes in 10 states. The storm's also knocking out power to thousands just as extreme heat ramps up.
It will suddenly feel like that's when you add in the humidity and the temperature. Your feels like temperature outside. Your heat indices up into triple digits easily, 113, 110, 110. It is going to be really, really hot across this region.
Fox meteorologist Adam Quad, parts of the East Coast at risk for storms today, which could impact holiday air travel. America is listening to Fox News.
Hey guys, Donald Trump Jr. here. Let me ask you this. Does inflation feel worse than what we're being told in the news? That's because the official inflation rate doesn't tell the whole story. Since January 2021, the cost of living has increased by 17.9%. You can't get that money back. But what you can do is stop your losses today. How? By diversifying your savings into a gold IRA from my friends at Birch Gold Group. When you're done, your money will be part of a tangible asset with a proven history. To see how it works, get your free info kit on gold IRAs by texting the word PROTECT 989898. I trust Birch Gold. They provide an easy process to roll over your 401k or IRA into gold without losing your tax advantage status. So text PROTECT 989898. That's PROTECT to the number 9898 on gold IRAs from Birch Gold. Messages increase rate.
This report is sponsored by Mattress Firm. Mattress Firm's Memorial Day sale is here. Get a stunning mattress at the lowest price ever. Just $89.99. The deal ends Tuesday, so don't wait. Visit Mattress Firm and save over 60%. In-store pickup only while supplies last. Find your nearest one today.
Let's drive violin because you love it. And if you love him that much, love him enough to make sure he's buckled up and in the back seat. Find out more at nhtsa.gov/the right seat. Brought to you by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Ad Council.
Hey folks, Larry Elder here. You've probably been hearing me endorse Wire Refi for some time now, and yes, many of my colleagues do as well. What makes Wire Refi so different from other investments? Let's break it down. Wire Refi offers a secured collateralized portfolio with a strong fixed rate of return, up to 10.25%. There's no attack on your principal if you ever need your money back, and you're in control. You can let your investment compound daily or take income, whatever you choose. There are absolutely no fees, and an investment in Wire Refi is an investment in America's future. Call 855-397-3208 or log on to investwirerefi.com/SF in San Francisco. Wire Refi works with certified financial planner Michael Ginsberg, who can meet with you personally to see if Wire Refi is right for you. 855-397-3208 or log on to investwirerefi.com/SF. That's invest, the letter Y, then REFY.com/SF. Tell them Larry Elder sent you.
KSFO traffic from the Chilton Auto Body Desk.
This report is sponsored by Lowe's. Memorial Day savings are now at Lowe's. Get up to 40% off, plus save an extra $50 on every $500 you spend on select major appliances. Valid through 5/29. Savings vary based on purchase. Selection varies by location while supplies last. See Lowe's.com for details.
Out of the Vacaville area, eastbound 80 near Cherry Glen Road, had reports of a stalled out car that was blocking some of the lanes, but looks like CHP has cleared it off the roadways. We're not seeing any delays in the area. Then it looks goodish, making way out towards the Dixon area. At the Bay Bridge Toll Plaza, metering lights are off. There is reports of a box in the middle lane right near the toll plaza, but not causing any major delays. That's traffic. I'm Roy Lavella.
Wish your life came with a warning app.
That dog does not want to be petted.
Well, life doesn't always give you time to change the outcome, but pre-diabetes does. Take the 1-minute test today at doihaveprediabetes.org. Brought to you by the iTown Florida Prediabetes Awareness Partners.
Shreve and Company is closing its doors at 150 Post off Union Square.
Shreve has been downtown for 172 years, but now we are closing our doors.
Shreve and Company at 150 Post will be liquidated.
Prices have been reduced throughout the store on Post Street.
The rare, the exotic, and the beautiful will be sold at savings up to 60% off.
A sale like this happens only once every 172 years.
At Shreve and Company, 150 Post off Union Square.
Weekend. I spent some time away with my family folks. I needed a little bit of a break. But I'm back with you on Memorial Day. Today is a rather important day. It's a time to recognize the sacrifices of all the sheepdogs out there. Well, who are the sheepdogs? Well, I talked about last week a book written by Lieutenant Colonel Dave Grossman. The book is titled On Killing, and it's an interesting conversation about what the brave men and women in our military go through in order to learn how to protect you, your freedoms, and this great country. He talks about how there are wolves among us, how evil's very real, how there are sheep among us who do very little about it, who are preyed on by the wolves, and then there are the sheepdogs. Those protectors out there. Those noble souls who decide to put themselves in the direct line of fire between you and the bad guy, so it's them that have to give their lives, and you can live peacefully. Folks, these sheepdogs take on a burden. They take on a tremendous burden. They leave portions of themselves behind, learning how to do violence on your behalf, to make sure you never have to do it. And you never have to think about it a lot. It just happens. And some of those men and women never come back. Many of them never come back. It's a solemn day. You know, as Kamala Harris said, it is a long weekend. It is not a long weekend, ladies and gentlemen. It's a long weekend for a reason. I assure you, what's a long weekend for us was a very long day for the men who stormed Omaha Beach. And when the gate to the boat came down, direct fire took out the front lines of them.